of entry. Here and here represent the entire high side. It's coming into here, condenser, goes inside, Yoda loop, out. So in theory, if we go from here to here, and we put a vacuum on it, it should hold.
It should hold vacuum.
Negative 25, 30 inches mercury on our gauge. Now, if you pull a vacuum, turn off your vacuum pump, make sure everything is closed, and it begins to rise, then your leak's on this side.
Okay, so you have to find out if it's in the condenser coils or the Yoda loop.
And how we can do that too. What we can do is we can do just the
This needle comes to the second notch below 0, you've reached a 10-inch vacuum. You close this, if it maintains a 10, you're good to open the system for service. That's what that chart is telling you, okay? If it goes below 10, it's even better. But once you reach a 10-inch vacuum, you can service this unit. Now, since we're only pulling from one side and could have a partial restriction, we're gonna let it run just a little bit longer.
See, let it pull from the other side.
Yes. Now, if we put it to 10 and it starts to rise back up, what does it mean?
I mean, there's a leak.
Not necessarily leak. It could be there's still refrigerant in the system under pressure and we need to run longer. Go ahead, what's your
The
question?
question is, when you said a negative 10 in every bar, you're talking about in the green, correct?
Where it says inches in vacuum. Yes.
In the green.
But not the 0 to 1. That's barometric pressure. We're talking about the notches above, not the white notches, the green notches above the green scale. So that's 0 there in the red. You see the minus 30 here.
Go up, and all of a sudden it seemed to just start to gradually go back down.
one more time.
If you shoot Freon in there, as you go shoot it in, it would begin to gradually increase. Then all of a sudden,
Alright. So here's our low side, our high side.
yeah,
Let's just say that they both at 0. Right?
right,
We agree?
yes.
Alright. Now,
As you increase your flow of Freon going through, the gauge will go up.
both?
No,
Yes.
okay, yeah, they can go equalization, okay.
No, not equalization. They're gonna go up. But what's gonna happen is this one's gonna go up. This one's gonna go up like this. And once you
Reach a certain point.
close your valve, it's gonna go. And we're gonna open the valve, and we're
Right.
gonna close the valve. But this guy, he's just gonna go and remain up here at 120, 125, 130,
Okay.
That's how you know that you adding and it's affecting the system. Don't add it and open it, just throttle it in there.